Kizza Besigye's wife Winnie Byanyima has demanded for bail of Kizza Besigye to be accepted. She emphasizes that there is no reason for continued holding of Kizza Besigye, especially denying him bail. Also confirming after I visited Kizza Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale at Luzira prison today. Both were in good spirits. I was relieved to see Kizza Besigye able to walk and talk with his visitors. After 20 years of faithfully appearing in court for countless criminal charges, there is no reason to deny Kizza Besigye bail. A judge must hear his application and end this injustice. Enough is enough. That is what Besigye's wife has said. She says after 20 years of countless appearing in the court. She added that at Luzira prison I was pleasantly surprised to see a delegation from the Uganda Interreligious Council led by Archbishop Stephen Kazimba visiting Kizza Besigye and Haji Lutale. I appreciate their visit. But in the face of rampant state violence, abductions, disappearances, and unlawful detention, the silence of our faith leaders is deafening and deeply disappointing. Now is the time to speak out. Men of God, you are letting down our young people who are the main victims of state violence.